Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a long time. I've never done any recording of any bags or bag that I have received because I never had new bags. And this, I'm happy to share that I got a new bag that I want to share to you. I saw some of them in YouTube, but I don't think a lot of people have this, so I think will be the good timing also to share what kind of bag, and you might love it also, and you might gonna be curious about this bag. So yes, I'm happy. I'm Sinayb, so welcome again to my channel, my YouTube channel, Sinaybb. And yes, if you wanna be notified, just click the notification bell, and to be aware of I'm uploading mostly shorts. I'm uploading my cute cat in the house, so that's what I'm doing right now. But I'm happy to reveal my new bag. Actually, I did not open it yet. I did not use it yet because I want to share it to you. It's still on this box that I received, and here we go. So it includes this one bag. I don't know what you call this. So we have this cute Gucci's bag, not bad, so you can use it for if you want to go shopping and small errands that you don't want to carry a big bag. This is nice. And of course, I'm excited to share this bag to you. So I have the receipt here. I will reveal the price. Actually, you know what I did, because I don't buy bags now. I stopped buying bags. But what I do, I told my husband that I will save all the gifts that he's gonna give me to any occasions like Christmas, birthdays, anniversary, wedding gifts, Valentine's gifts, especially birthdays, Christmas, and wedding gifts, because we celebrate two anniversary being together and anniversary of the wedding. So I save all of that, said let's save all of them and make it in one shot. And I told him I've never had this kind of box from Gucci, so I'm happy to share it with you. But first, before I forgot, my bag of the week. So I use this. This is my tabby in denim and coach. I use this today because the weather is so beautiful here in Quebec, so I use it. There's sunny. It's cold, but it's sunny, so it's safe to use this kind of denim pattern. This is my tabby bag, but guys, look how much I can put it in the bag. It's really, really nice. So get your tabby, maybe not in denim, but at least a tabby bag. So yes, I'm sharing this with you. Let's open it together. So tan ta ta tan. Just put it in here. I don't know what you call this bag. So it has the dust bag on it. This is the new dust bag of Gucci. I have some Gucci bags, as you can see. I have some Gucci bags, but I want to have in this color because I don't have in this color. So actually, I said to my husband, if I got this color, this will be my last bag in Gucci, because I just want a color that I want. And you know what it is? Color blue. So I look for a bag. I did not buy a small version. I don't want a small bags because you know me, I carry a lot of things. So this is what I got. This is in a Gucci in a crescent pattern. What do you call this bag? This is a crossbody bag. GG beige blue. They don't put a name actually. So this is the like a hobo bag in a crescent, or kind of moon crescent, in this beautiful blue pattern, red and blue pattern. See, this is a crossbody bag. It's not hand carry, it's a crossbody bag, guys. So this is what I got. And this is actually this color, I think this is a new collection that I have in Gucci. You know Gucci, they always come back, return back their new collection, new colors, same pattern, same design. There's so many colors on this one. I will just insert the different type of colors of this bag, but this is what I chose. This is what I got. So let's see what is the name of this bag. I hope there's a name. So there's a thank you card included. Crossbody bag GG supple H2O. That's what only in that. So I'll check later. the name. So this is what it looks like, and this is how it looks like inside. One pocket here. There's a care card included in this one. Open space. You know, that's it. Nothing, no more, no less. And yeah, I could carry a lot of things. I'm gonna go what we can fit in the bag. I'm not gonna go. So I have this just to show you. I have my wallet, long wallet, my glasses. If you want to put the phone, I can put the phone as well. So this is my other phone. And if you just need those things there, for example, you want to put a lotion, you can put in the corner. There's still space. Tissue. And this is what it looks like on the bag. This is mostly my things that I always carry all the time, guys. My phone, my wallet, my pochette accessoire, and my reading glasses, and my tissue, and my lotion. So just gonna close it. And it's just a crossbody, no hand carry, just a crossbody style bag. And it goes like this. You can adjust the strap the way you like it. And yeah, that's it. This is my new bag. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 holes in it that you can adjust. Depends on your height, depends on your liking. So there's a cherry linen lining there with the blue pattern. And of course, the new canvas of the Gucci. This is what they look like now. If I want to show you from my old version, this is my other Gucci bag before. You can see this is the pattern, but now they changed the pattern. Now it's not the same anymore. Like, it's like a PVC pattern. I don't know what you call it, so just correct me if I'm wrong. So this is what they have a version now of their bags. But before, this is the original bag that I bought long time ago in UAE, compared to the new version of this kind of bag. Guys, they bring out the bags again like this, but in this pattern, this kind of PVC pattern now, compared from before, the original fabric lining of canvas. This is my old one. She's really old. She's like maybe 15 years old now. I use her much, so there's a lot of wear and tear in this bag. But this is the new pattern of the new Gucci bag. So that's it. And we, of course, with the GG logo in silver hardware here. Nothing special. Even here, it's silver as well. So this is my new bag, and I'm gonna use her also in summer. Hopefully it's gonna be good in winter as well. But this is my new Hobo Crescent crossbody bag from Gucci. That's it. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. It's been a long time again, and I'm happy to share my new bag. So take care. God bless. Signing up. Sinay BB. Bye guys.